Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a project in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, in the left panel, click on Projects right here. Okay, now go ahead and select the project that you wanted to delete. For example, we have here the duplicate. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the three dots beside it. And here we have the trash option. But if you want to save it and use it in the future, you can just go ahead and select Move to Archive. Okay, and you'll be able to see it right here under Archived Projects. But under your active list, it will be gone. Okay, so just click on trash if you want to delete it. Okay, or if you're really sure, just click on it and it says here, this action will remove all its associated modules. You can restore trashed projects from the recycle bin within 60 days. And if you haven't restored it within 60 days, it will automatically delete by itself. Okay, click on trash. There you go. And once that's done, you're good to go. And do take note that you can only delete or trash projects if you are the portal owner or admin. Okay? Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.